got it, Kenna. And go up. Amethyst, you're the wrong way. Amethyst, lean the other way. Lean the other way. Amethyst, lean the other way. Yeah, there you go. It's a chance, right?
Hey guys, so we're at a store.
Oh my God, I look fucking insane from this angle.
We're at a store in the fridge.
Guess which one?
Guess what store? But look, we're on camera.
Okay, which one are we getting? Or what are you? Hey
Last
guys.
time you guys saw us,
He was 19.
we were. Oh my god!
He's 20 years old.
Chat.
Strike the pose.
And now we're at a church.
In my life, they said I didn't want time, but I did.
Cause she
gonna hit a
wasn't
garbage
able to
can.
come tonight, unfortunately. But all I really remember is everyone just fucking leaving.
Yeah, everybody fucking left. Fuck all of you. I love you, but like fuck all of you.
Yeah, but honestly, tonight
Tonight
is,
was the pregame for tomorrow.
no, tonight is the main event, girl.
Honestly, period. Tomorrow is not gonna be the same.
No,
because we don't-
tonight is the main
Oh,
event.
tonight is the main event. Sorry.
And
But
you know
right
what?
now is the main event.
Why are we walking to the snowbank?
I'm gonna walk away from the snowbank. I don't think there's a fucking snowbank.
She's crashing out. She's crashing
I'm
out.
crashing out, Caitlin. Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god. Guys, look at the deer. Look at the
Guys, that
deer.
was so scary. That scared the shit out of me. I thought it was a human.
Honestly, that scared me too. See you.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Chopping out real thick, strange, give a nice wide dick. I'm expensive, baby, come and take my pick. Never fuck around when it comes to dick. I am Aisha Vodka. I am Aisha Vodka. I am Aisha Vodka. Let me teach you how to fuck it up.
Clap if you've ever been to a fat farm.
Okay, guys. We're home. Should we do skincare after we pour the snacks? Okay. Oh, selection. We have cheese croissants.
Boyfriend, I'm nervous.
Someone cut the bag instead of ripping it open.
What is going on?
Looks like the pocket. Oh my god. These are so good. I know. My parents just left Vancouver. What? My parents just left Vancouver. Oh, tell them have a safe flight. Shall we take this to my room and do our skincare? Go fucking boss. Okay Okay, guys, we're back in my room.
I'm already done, but he's still going.
So usually I would use a CeraVe cream to foam facial cleanser for dry skin. But tonight we're using Sophia's makeup wipe. Okay, so let's start.
It's the aquatic
I just wanna be part of your
brand or equate. Sorry,
Equate.
It's crazy. Equate.
Okay, so Paris suggested this for me from Amazon.
What is that?
It's a
That you had
Hi, let me read it.
hyalochlorous. Hypochlorous acid. It's called Element from Amazon. I might have to bleep that out so I don't get.
Why would you have to bleep that out that you got it from Amazon? Oh wow, okay.
So I don't get so it doesn't get sold out. I'm gonna dab that off with face towel. Oh my god, look.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna dab that off with a makeup wipe while Sophia messages her mans.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Yeah, guys, I accidentally broke a beer bottle today.
Just a little.
Okay, so now that that's kind of dried off, we're gonna go in with this vitamin C serum from Vital Beauty.
Vital B.
Vital Beauty is a brightening facial serum. It has vitamin C and rose oil. I like to put extra since it's my birthday.
That's so much.
I like to put extra since it's my birthday. So just a little 3 squirt. Wipe it in and rub it in my face. And I watched Alex Consani, the model. She did this.
Oh, period. Okay.
A little gua sha with your hands. Okay. And then I'm gonna take the hyaluronic acid from It's Skin. This is low-key the best fucking thing I've ever done on my face. Remind me tomorrow morning to redo my eyebrow cut. And I'm gonna do 2 squirts of this. 1, 2. And I'm gonna wipe up the excess on my hand so it doesn't get on the lid. I think she's still messaging her mans.
Bitch, you better be joking.
I'm watching story actually. I'm literally watching his story right now as we speak.
What does it say?
Watching round 2. Also,
Guys, I had to do 2 muff dives today.
shout out Kaden. He was the one that ordered it with the extra grenadine on top. So that it would
He's
be
the one who
extra
got that
messy. Yeah.
pink sugary syrup on my drink.
He was like, can you make it extra messy for him?
is your watching this. Tap your fucking knees. Tap your fucking knees.
I'm not wearing pants. I swear I'm wearing pants.
She's not wearing pants. She's a fucking whore. What?
What?
Sorry, you say something?
He made me take this picture of him at the bar.
Okay.
He said, wait, Sophia, take a picture of me.
Okay, now this is my last step. It's the Cetaphil Ultimate Aloe Moisturizing Cream. I got this from Costco. It's a really good deal. So I'm going to take a bit of it, like this much. And I'm going to put it on my hands, rub it together. Rub it on my face real quick. And then here's the crazy part that Alex Consani taught me too.
Slap it in.
I love her, but she is an attention whore.
We're sleeping on the floor for you. Like,
Okay, and now that's it. But really quick before we go. Oh, look at her. Okay, I might have to bleep that out.
Yeah, you might have to leave that out.
Guys, look at her. Oh. Cutie little patootie. Cutie little patootie.
I'm sending those clip wraps.
The next day. You should vlog.
5% and hitting it.
And then I'm like, okay, let's
And you did it at my birthday dinner.
vlog.
You know what? Your necklace is.
A las palabras de las brujas.
They layer so well.